and welcome to another exciting episode of High Life Dubai. आज का एपिसोड बहुत स्पेशल होने वाला है क्योंकि आज हम बॉलीवुड की हिस्ट्री पर ध्यान देंगे with an exhibition of Bollywood memorabilia.
आपके पाँव देखे बहुत हसीन हैं, इन्हें जमीन पर मत उतारिएगा, मैले हो जाएंगे.
उसके बाद चलेंगे for the opening of the biggest Armani Casa store in the world at the Dubai Mall. उसके बाद a heart-to-heart chat with the beautiful Parvati Omnakuttan, current Miss World 2008 first runner-up.
It's wrong if you try to, spoil someone's future, just because you want to go ahead.
And tonight, you can also look forward to a victorious chat with Harman Baweja and Amrita Rao, chatting about their life and their latest movie together, Victory.
Never did it seem like I had to go out of my way or I was working with a newcomer or, there was any kind of a retake because of him.
I think Dubai is the kind of place where you can experiment in. I think everyone's out here trying out, working on different things, making fashion statements and being at ease.
And finally, a look at obesity, the world over and in the UAE, in high focus. So let's start tonight's episode of High Life Dubai. I don't know about you, but I simply love old Hindi movies. पुराने गाने, पुराने फिल्में, पुराने actors मुझे बहुत पसंद है. It takes me back to my childhood in India.
आपके पाँव देखे बहुत हसीन हैं, इन्हें जमीन पर मत उतारिएगा, मैले हो जाएंगे. अनारकली, मैं तुम्हारी आंखों में अपनी मोहब्बत का राग देखना चाहता हूँ.
तांगा भी रामगढ़ का है और हम भी रामगढ़ के हैं.
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है बसंती?
क्या आपको याद है वो पुराने फिल्मी पोस्टर्स जो आर्टिस्ट बिलबोर्ड पे पेंट किया करते थे? Well, believe it or not, these days those posters have become collectible art.
लाला, पहले हिसाब दिखा, फिर मेरी जवाई पे नजर डालना. बाप का हिसाब बेटा देखेगा, एक दाना नहीं लेने दूंगा.
और इन्हीं पोस्टर्स, बुक कवर्स और ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट पिक्चर्स की एक एग्जीबिशन रिसेंटली दुबई के बेसमेंट गैलरी में रखी गई.
हम सब तो रंगमंच की कठपुतलियां हैं जिनकी डोर ऊपर वाले की उंगलियों में बंधी है. जाओ पहले उस आदमी का साइन लेकर आओ जिसने मेरे हाथ पे ये लिख दिया था. उसके बाद मेरे भाई तुम जिस कागज पे कहोगे मैं उस पर साइन कर दूंगा.
मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर ये बातें करते हैं, तुम होती तो कैसा होता.
The two Bollywood enthusiasts who organized this exhibit were Dubai-based designer Aisha Depala and her sister Natasha. So let's chat with these girls and find out what prompted them to do such an exhibition.
Well, I think it is absolutely spectacular because Aisha and I are completely passionate about Indian art. And for a long time, we've been thinking how we should put a collection together and exhibit it around the world. And because Aisha lives here, we thought this was a nice way to start. And this collection is about Indian cinema. It's about the stories that we can relive through the various years. And I think it's a beautiful evolution because you can see from the various photographs, the posters, lobby cards, which was basically the advertising material used from the 1930s to right now about the Hindi cinema. And I think Hindi cinema is just such a huge event in Indian lives. because it represents the culture, the ethos, the stories, the feelings of Indian people. And when you look at these posters, you see that whole variety of emotions. And this is what the exhibition is about.
We've lived in India and grown up there. And a curator that we are friends with has this collection that has been collecting it for like many, many years. And we just thought it would be an interesting idea for people in Dubai to have a look at the actual vintage original Hindi movie posters. There's book covers, there's lobby cards, and we have actual posters that were used for the film. So there is a variation. But we framed them so they really are pieces of art in their own right, all of them. We had people calling the gallery and they wanted to book pieces, and we were like, it's exciting. So, because it's our baby, we've been working on it for many, many months now, and the response has been fantastic in terms of press, in terms of clients. It's been fantastic.
The exhibition was a super success. Everybody was getting nostalgic about the Bollywood golden era. So let's meet some people and find out their reaction.
I think it's great. I think it's really original and I really, really like it. Enough for it to capture my attention to come tonight.
I'm an Amitabh Bachchan fan. I think it's really great. They've done a fantastic job with it. The framing of all the posters looks really good.
I feel it's quite cool and it's something new, which staying over here in this part of the world and you get some original photographs of the olden days, it's very good. It's a good concept, something new, because normally people only have art exhibitions. It's the first time to have a picture related to the Bollywood. I feel it's something nice. I love this poster, of course, because it's Umrao Jaan, and it stands, because Rekha, she stands for her style, and since I'm in the fashion world, I think this would be a appropriate poster for my store. So I'm planning to take this poster.
I think they're all terrific. It's very enjoyable. No, I haven't seen anything like it at all. Just on the landscape in some places we visited. But my favourite is that one there. It looks very epic. It's pretty old as well, which makes it more interesting. Very colourful. Looks like a great poster.
I'm absolutely blown away. First of all, this memorabilia, it takes me back to my childhood, takes me back to my grandparents and watching films with them and talking about their icons and seeing them here today, up in print. I just wish my mum and dad were here to see it. It's amazing.
I don't know, it's just something interesting for Dubai, I guess, where it's film poster oriented and it's just interesting. It's slightly different for Dubai.
It was so amazing to see the painted posters of Amitabh Bachchan, Rekha, Hema Malini, Dharmendra. It just refreshed a lot of memories for me. Khair, ab waqt hua hai ek chote se break ka. See you in a bit. Coming up after the break is Armani's newest and biggest Casa boutique at where else but the Dubai Mall. और उसके बाद up close and a personal chat with Parvati Omna Kuttan, who is the first runner-up of the Miss World pageant.